There's a major issue looming in the oil business. Good evening, I'm Amber Schatz. Thanks for joining us tonight. It's an issue that will have a significant negative impact on North Dakota's economy. Tom Gerhardt joins us now with more. Tom.
Yeah, thanks, Amber. The United States, believe it or not, is running out of places to store all of the oil it's producing. The next 60 days are critical.
Lynn Helm says the United States is overproducing oil by about 1 million barrels per day. That's slightly less than what North Dakota produces each day. These oil storage tanks in Cushing, Oklahoma are 70% full. Helm says a year ago they were empty.
If we continue to fill at 1 million barrels a day, we run out of storage in about 2 months.
If the U.S. runs out of storage, the price of North Dakota oil will fall even more than it has in recent months. If the price of oil remains below $52 a barrel, oil companies will get a significant tax break beginning June 1st. That would mean millions less flowing into North Dakota's accounts.
So all of a sudden, North Dakota producers are a victim of their success because they're significantly below world markets, but the North Dakota production is influencing world markets.
Lawmakers are waiting for an updated revenue forecast, which will be released next week. Helm says the oil storage issue will be a major piece of it.
We have moved from no worries to concerns to worries now, and that's the stage that we're at, is people are actually worrying about what's going to happen over the next 2 to 5 months.
He says Bakken crude typically sells for $10 to $15 less than the price in Cushing. Helm says that could double to $20 to $30 less if the U.S. runs out of space to store oil.
Helm says the U.S. can store 168 million barrels of oil. Half of that is here in Cushing, Oklahoma. He says tanks are about 65% full across the country.
North Dakota lawmakers are urging Congress to change a 40-year-old law to help reduce the oversupply of crude oil in the United States. It has been illegal to export United States crude oil since 1973. Senator Jessica Unruh says conditions have changed dramatically and the ban is outdated. She says U.S. oil production has recently surged to more than 10% of the world's total. North Dakota senators say lifting the ban could increase the country's ability to compete in a global market, reduce the trade deficit, and stabilize global prices. Lawmakers in the House and Senate passed the resolution and will now send a copy to each member of Congress.